Guys, thanks for clicking on my video. If you watched a few of the other ones, it's just I do some English tips, also some small English lessons, okay? So I'm starting today with something called the magic E. If you don't know what the magic E is, which I'm hoping why you clicked on, it basically shows you how to, or it's a little tip or a trick, to show you how to pronounce the vowels correctly, okay? So we're talking about vowels, okay? If you don't know what the vowels are, if you speak English, I'm sure that you do know what the vowels are, but just if you do not know, there are 5. We have A, E, I, O, and U, okay? And we have different sounds for them, okay? And let's just go for an example. We're going to do each letter individually. Seems simple, but I'm just going to show you a little trick, okay? That some people, or I would say not just some people, but quite a lot of people still make this little mistake of how to pronounce a vowel, okay? So, here we go. So, A, okay, we have A, okay? Now this word, at, it's a like apple, it's an sound. It's just a short way of saying it, Now, with a magic E, okay, we're going to put an E, and it becomes 8, 8. So the A is now pronounced like an A because of the magic E. So let's go to another one to make sure this works. Okay, so E. Okay, so let's go pet. Et, like elephant or egg. Pet. Okay, let's put the magic E. Pete. Okay, so now we're saying the E just like an E. Okay, let's go to I. Okay, pin, I, igloo, or in, pin, okay, let's put the magic E, pine, it's like the I, just by itself. Okay, next one, O, okay, so we can see here, not, okay, let's put the magic E, note, okay, just like the O. Last one is the U, okay? Tub, very short sound, tub. Let's put the magic E, tube, okay? So this is how the magic E works. If we put an E, it manipulates or changes the vowel sound, okay? Now, you're still thinking maybe this is super simple. However, how do I know if I put an E on the end and make a magic E, how do I know whether it's going to be an I or an I, an E or an E? How do I know that? Okay? If there is a magic E, we say the vowel just like they are on their own. So for example, 8 has a magic E, so I say 8, like A. Yes? Pete, eat, E, just like E is on its own. I, okay, pine, it has a magic E, so I pronounce the I like an I, pine. O, note, O, just like it's by itself, note. And finally, U, tube, U, or a funny one, YouTube, okay, so it makes sense. If we use the magic E, we pronounce the vowel exactly as it sounds by itself, just by itself. I really hope that was useful, guys. I'm going to make a new video quite soon, so if you like this video, please give me a like, and if you could also subscribe, that would be awesome, okay? Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.